Alright, what's up, YouTube? It's Twin Legacy 504. And it's a sad day today, man. Like, I'm gonna show y'all. I believe I already told y'all about this side of my bike. The fairing ripped off, now it's hitting like 140 on the highway. And it's all scratched up because it hit the ground. Yeah, I found it the next day, though. It was up in the bushes. But, that's one problem. And the other side's another, because I thought I fixed that side. And then this side come to fucking up, like, what the fuck? Look at this shit. This looks nasty, bro. This looks nasty, man. I can't have my bike looking like this. So that's a new fairing kit, automatically. Fuck, new fairing kit. And then my clutch is looking. Like, I'll show you guys. Oh, snap. I was about to say, I was hoping they wouldn't come fuck with me because I don't have no endorsement. But, yeah. That jumps in price really straight. But yeah, man. Clutch slip in the air, I need new fairings. Some of these, man, I guess it's really gonna be my project bike. I don't want to sell a bike, but fuck it. If it was dark, you'd be able to do fine right now. Yeah. But the bike is rideable. Like, I need it to do my everyday daily things I do. I say I do. That's fucked up. I hope I don't get fucked up in this conversation for that shit. But yeah, it's ready to ride. It just ain't ready to race. Ready to rock now. Actually, I need to take my But yeah, let me tell y'all before y'all not able to hear me. Yeah, let me tell y'all before y'all not able to hear me. I don't even know y'all heard me the whole time. My mic wasn't even in my helmet. But anyways, basically when my bike hits 6,000 RPMs, the power loses. It like loses power. Oh fuck, should have hit that U-turn. Well, I know y'all seen that. I'll show y'all again. much traffic everywhere. I'm going in the wrong direction. I just wanted to show y'all the problem I'm having with this bike, bro. Nothing but traffic coming. See, my bike was straight, like with the power, but it's not. I just fucking hop in traffic, dude, with no problem. But I feel like my fucking. Nah, I probably could do it. I just need to see. See, that's what I'm talking about. My bike is rev limiting for no reason. I ain't even asking for that much power, bro. Put my phone in my other pocket because that zipper broke. Actually, I'm finna go back to lane splitting. Lord. If everybody know how to drive and went the speed limit, it'll be a safer place for me to do more lane splitting. Look, like this is 35. This is actually this. See, it's a speed limit 35. I'm pretty sure I'm going about 30. Okay, I see. It's a little off, unless I am going out real fast. But when I'm at lower speeds, my bike be lying to me. Come on, you gotta make this green light. I really made that shit. I wish you niggas got my way. need to pull over and fix my fan. And I ain't even go 60 yet. I probably did hit 60, but pull over at Dollar General real quick. That was a little bumpy. You gotta fix that. Gotta fix that. Alright, yeah, let me check my phone too, shit. See, like, I have been looking for other bikes, but gotta sell mine first before I can really make a purchase. Ooh, look at that Charger. I love them. I love them Chargers, man. I think they my next favorite to fucking Camaro. It's just, that's my favorite four-door, yeah. That's what I should put it. That's my favorite four-door right there. But yeah, that's all I really had to say for today. I ain't really got nothing to do, nothing special. I will let y'all know next time I go back to the strip. But other than that, I ain't go to the strip in a minute because I've been busy with trying to get another job. And what else? My daughter, my dog, spending time with them and shit, editing videos. Well, I've been looking for a process. Ooh, that Civic Type R look nice. I've been looking for like one of these processing things, like not processing, like a video editing software, but a lot of them you gotta pay for, and I ain't really trying to pay for nothing, so I'm looking for the cheapest one just for now. But after I do find that, I'll be straight. I just like making videos for you guys. Oh yeah, I reached 1,500 views on my whole channel. Shout out to that. That's a blessing. Starting out by little. Oh, Charger wanna play. Even though my bike ain't acting right. I see you looking, boy. I'm looking too. Ooh, fucking Mustang. It ain't nothing but a 5.0. Bro, niggas only do that shit. Put up in front. That shit funny. That shit funny as hell. I know, like at a time green, they had this. It's got a long line of people. But that's all I have for you guys today. Subscribe if it's your first time on the channel. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Share, like, comment, do what you gotta do. and communicate with me. I'll have a way better page if you guys communicated with me, trust me. So, yeah, I'll holler at you guys later. Peace.